Today, we celebrate the hard work, dedication, and perseverance that has led to this incredible achievement. Parents, thank you for your unwavering support. Your guidance and encouragement have helped make this possible. Ayala is honored to recognize this outstanding student athlete who will continue their academic and athletic career in college. Please join me in congratulating Isaiah Deloso.
First and foremost, I just want to thank God, my Lord and Savior, for giving me the ability to play basketball. And I also want to thank my parents for being always there for me and always supporting me and helping me achieve my dream. I also want to thank all my teammates and friends for for pushing me at practice.
Isaiah, at this time, go ahead and sign your commitment letter.